check.
Roger, go ahead.
Yeah, we went clear across Pioneer or not?
Dude, we got it.
White Wolf 06.
Roger, White 56, you're clear for that mark effective left.
What's she doing? She's throwing up and down on him.
Yeah, White Wolf 16 and Red Wolf 2. White Wolf 26 and Red Wolf 26.
You going?
Cross baseline Pine. Call set
Yeah, we can leave that.
I swear to God, man, this chick is just going and Red Wolf sky over here. This is incredible. Stop moving.
Give us a grid.
Yeah, White Wolf 26, you monitor.
06 is 26, say again.
Roger, execute phase line Pine, call set phase line Cedar.
We're staying right here. Roger, call phase line Cedar. 0626.
06.
We got activity out here, but I don't think we really need to report it.
You see?
Appears to be fornication in a convertible.
Do a target store and I'll be there in a second.
Oh, we're taping it.
Radar 13.
Roger.
Oh my God.
White Wolf 26, Alpha 11.
Don't go. Alpha 11, go. White Wolf 26.
Roger. Are you down by the fan pit there?
Roger. We're having a little show here.
Okay, I'm in. I need to investigate.
Well, I'm telling you what, you can land and get in this action, probably. Stand by. So, it's at my location. And I just truck. We're going to have a lot of fun with this. She's right there. Jeez. What's he doing? Oh, Roger. There we go. There we go. Oh, turn it back to White Hawk.
Are they going to tip it?
Oh, we have it on tape.
White 26, Alpha 11 uniform.
This 6.
Roger, I'm going to need that tape from you at interdimensional.
Roger, we'll make copies for everyone. And that's you just overhead. You just flew right over top of them. Kind of looking up now.
Are they on this side of the lake? Your side?
They're on my side. They're right. There's a little building that they're parked underneath.
Ah, okay, got them. Hey, don't compromise it. They're 1-1.
Coming out your left side, 26.
I'll try not to crash. We're getting quite a chuckle out of this. It looks like they're ripping now. Getting ready for round 2.
Alpha 1's going to depart the area due to risk of compromise. I will be handing it over to Alpha 0 now.
Yeah, right that.
You copy that, White Wolf 6? I'm
look at them. They're going.
Fuel control's going to be with you.
White Wolf 06, Roger.
Oh man, they're going again.
White Wolf 126. Direction from the building.
1826.
Yeah, where are they from?
Right, this is 26 is 18, go on.
Roger, they're in the building in a vehicle parked underneath the building.
That big long building on the north side of the lake there?
Yeah, roger that. You just look right in there, buddy, and you'll